In yoga, we tend to spend a lot of time using our hands for weight bearing. That can be from something like cow-cat movements that allows us to take a back bend and a forward fold, all the way to downward facing dog, and things in between like plank. Our hands were not designed to bear weight, but there are some things we can do to strengthen our wrists so that they can more easily bear weight. So here's a couple things I'd like to show you today. First, you'll come to your hands and knees. And really spread your fingers wide here. We're not too concerned about where our hips are. We're not working on cow-cats here. So spread your fingers nice and wide, and then see if you can lift and lower just your thumbs. And if not, walk your hands a little bit closer to you and see if that makes it a little bit more available for you. Okay, and you can keep your hands back there if you'd like, or keeping your arms nice and straight and with your shoulders relatively stacked over your wrists. Your wrists can be a little bit ahead if you'd like. We're going to lift the thumbs, and then we're also going to lift the heels of our hands so our wrists are coming off the ground, and we're going to really press into the knuckles of the forefingers and then lower down. Lift the thumbs, then lift the heels of your hand and really press into your fingers. And see how many times you're able to do that. Doesn't feel great, but it is an opportunity to strengthen. If this is really available for you, you could take your hands further away, shift your body forward. You've added more weight now because you've shifted your body forward, and see if you can lift your thumbs and then the heels of your hands. That may not work for you today. The other option would be keeping your hands considerably closer to your body, which would mean less of your body weight. Seeing if you can spread the fingers wide, lift those thumbs, lift the heels of the hands, up and down. Thumbs first, then the heels of the hand, while pressing into all the knuckles. So that's one way you can work on some wrist strength. If you would like to work on a little bit of wrist extension, this is what wrist extension looks like. Here's something you can try. Once again, coming onto your hands and knees, shifting your weight forward. That's going to add some wrist extension right there, if you'll notice. And then keeping that angle with your wrists, shifting your body back, peeling your fingers off the ground. Shifting forward once again, leaning forward. Keep your wrists, make that position as best you can as you shift your body back and lift your fingers off the ground. Keeping this time the heels of your hands on the ground. Chances are you're going to start to feel a lot of work in these muscles in your forearm. So those are a couple of things that you can do to work on, one, strengthening your wrists, and then two, getting some greater extension in your wrist, which over time will hopefully make yoga poses from cow-cats all the way to plank and downward facing dog feel a lot better in your body. Thanks for watching. I would love to show you more ways that you can strengthen your hands and your wrists, and feel free to reach out, comment below, or send me a message. I would love to work with you soon.